Use of do, did, and does. Let's see the rules. Do is used with I, you, we, they, and plural subject in present tense. Does is used with he, she, it, and singular subject in present tense. Did is used with all the subject in the past tense only. Let's fill up the blanks. I do my homework every day. I do want to go to the party. She does her chores before school. He does. He does reading books. They study is past tense, so we use here did. They do. Do they swim? She does. Does she read? I do.